And I'm going to pull out the earbuds. Now, they come out pretty easily. They're in here magnetically. They're not latched in here at all. So theoretically, a strong bump could possibly knock them out.
Right now you're hearing me through the DJI microphone, and now let's switch to the headphones on the smartwatch. Now we're going to test how they sound. This is the Cuthwulf V2 and it's made by Wolfnotch. And now we're going to test the watch. Have you ever seen a smartwatch that has 2 earbuds built into it? This is the Cuthwulf V2 and it's made by Wolfnotch.
Then you get into your calling. So I can place a call, a Bluetooth tethered to the phone now. No SIM in this one. You can place a call. Look at this. It's got a voice recorder in here as well. And now I'm recording what I'm saying so we can check it out and see what it sounds like on playback. This is one of the few watches that isn't an Android watch that actually has a built-in voice recorder. Stop that. Here you go. Now I'm recording what I'm saying so we can check it out and see what it sounds like on playback. Nice. This is one of the few watches that isn't an Android watch that actually has a built-in voice recorder. The speaker is in the knob. Honestly, you see the little recess in there? And somehow they've managed to squeeze this really nice speaker inside the knob itself.
You have to hold it down. Current weather.
Right now in Acton, it's 41 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Throughout the day, you can expect more of the same.
Let's go ahead and check out the app. It's called VBand. I'm just going to spoil it right away. This is a 5-star app for me. It's super colorful. It's super easy to understand. They did a phenomenal job. Definitely hit it out of the park. The ability to see all of your metrics really easily is awesome. Definitely something that I'm interested in. And then you could do things like blood pressure, and then you have your blood oxygen and your GPS running. Then you can go into other settings. This is where you can turn on 24-hour time. You can change your units. So if you're in the US, you're going to want Fahrenheit and Imperial. And then you're going to be able to do a bunch more settings down here. This is where I actually turned on always on heart rate and always on body temp. So that was really cool. So I had all that turned on. You can change your app notifications in here. They do provide a huge amount of built-in watch faces, like I said, and you can change those up as you want to, so that's really cool. And then you can go into here, you can put in your personal information, target steps, and this is where you can do a few other things. So it's a very simple, very straightforward app that gives you exactly what you want and cuts all the crap out that you do not want. So like I said, big 5 stars, very happy with it. Perfect app.
Let's talk about one of the cool sensors that this has. It has a thermometer built into it, and it's actually this little piece of metal right here that contacts your skin, and that is what's going to give the readouts. And then when you put it on your wrist, it's going to start to measure your temperature on the skin, and I am 97.5. Yes, that is accurate. So that's really cool, really fun, simple thing to have on your wrist. Okay, just finished my 5th day doing a workout with this watch, and I have to say that I cannot kill the battery, and I love just seeing my heart rate, calorie, and time lapsed. It's really cool, very simple, does its job. I like it a lot. Okay, this is crazy cool. I just paired up my Jabra Elite earbuds to my smartwatch right here. So that means that you can actually pair up your earbuds to your watch, load this thing up with music, and then go out for a run and not have to take your phone with you. So that is absolutely amazing. This smartwatch is truly a powerhouse. Just blows you away at every step. It is next level, so awesome. So really, I'm gonna give this thing a high 5-star rating, people, 5 stars. And the reason why I'm giving it 5 stars is not because it's perfect. It's not because it has the best user interface. It's not because it has the best sound quality in the earbuds. It's the total package. Yes, you're getting an amazing loudspeaker. You're getting really good quality earbuds. These things sound really good. I was actually impressed. You're getting a ability to have your steps counted, your heart rate, and all that stuff. So it's really a full package. And when you put it all together like this, you strap it on your wrist, you start to go, okay, I love this thing. It really does a good job. Solid star rating. Highly recommended to everyone out there. Buy it.
Click that link down below and buy the smartwatch today.